Ladies and gentlemen, today we're in South Hornchurch, Wells Gardens, and this is a first-time buyer's dream. Immaculately designed by the current owners. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. Starting today's tour in your open planned kitchen, living and dining space, and this is stunning. Bay windows to the front letting in ample amounts of natural light, the favourable bifolding doors to the rear. Now the kitchen. Beautifully thought out kitchen, quartz work surfaces, a range of Neff appliances. We've even got a wine cooler and a boiling water tap. Let me show you upstairs. Welcome to your new master bedroom. Bay fronted window to the front, bespoke fitted wardrobes throughout all 3 bedrooms on this floor. Every finer detail has been thought out when this home has been designed. Let me show you the bathroom and then we'll look in the garden. Finishing today's tour in your low maintenance rear garden, and you almost have the infinity feel with the grey wood effect flooring inside, along with the perfect porcelain patio. If you're a London commuter, this home is perfect because this garden looks fantastic all year round with the artificial lawn. We've even got an outbuilding for those people that work from home. Could be used as a bar, and it has power and internet connection. Ladies and gentlemen, this home is not going to remain on the market for long. This is Wells Gardens. My name's Billy Gill. We are Balgors, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.